Hey, welcome back to Adventures in Pop-Ups. This is a place you come for tips and tricks, hacks and mods to make your camping adventures more awesome, more amazing, more fun. We are doing camping at lakeside, lakefront spots. Who doesn't like a lakefront or water view?
It's the best.
Yes.
Seriously.
So park your camper with the maximum view ability and put your chairs out to watch the sunrise, sunset, to catch those lakefront views, because that's why you're there, to enjoy the outdoors.
Yeah, and this, I would say, is really one of the things that makes pop-up campers amazing, because you've got all these screens and all these views, and actually back up before parking, look at your campsites, look at like Google Maps, look at if they have photos, look for a good lakefront area, a good view. Is there going to be a neighbor, 3 feet away? Do the best you can. But then, you can really enjoy the sunrise, the sunset from inside your camper, or just
off your bed.
Be standing there doing the dishes and looking at God's beautiful creativity.
Yeah.
So,
about picking your camp spots. On that, picking your camp spots, she lots of times will pick an end spot. One time, what was that? We got a great end spot because the person next to us, they were having friends come out. They left that good end spot for someone else.
Natural Bridge State Park.
Yes, and it was right on a creek, big boulders, lots of creek water, clear water to swim and play in, jump off a rock. It was one of the best campsite experiences we've had. One thing to upgrade from tent camping, we would like to see some converts, honestly. From tent camping to pop-up camper is you will actually want to camp more if you have a pop-up camper.
It's true.
It's just a fact. We would do once or twice a year. Now we're like maybe 3 to 5 times a year, but it varies from year to year.
Talking about lakefront spots, so you've got the view, but there's some more things to keep in mind.
Going to be more bugs.
There's going to be more bugs.
Water and lakes.
Yep.
Especially if you're close to a swamp or some low-level lake areas, like the Mile Creek State Park or whatever by Niagara Falls.
Oh yeah.
We were far
Lake
enough
Erie.
back. Yeah, Lake Erie had some low water spots. There was a lot of bugs over there, but the campground was far enough back that it wasn't a problem. But if you're up close, you're going to have a lot of bugs. So have some citronella candles, some tick and bug spray that you can spray around the campsite.
They've got all kinds of stuff now. They have little devices that you can put on your table or wear. I haven't tried those. I don't know what's in those, to be honest.
We've worn some bracelets and stuff before.
Yeah.
Haven't had great luck with that, but, bug spray always works.
Just make sure you have a plan for the bugs, because there will be some bugs unless you're on a lake in winter.
I don't like too much on my skin. I would rather use something else or smoke or spray it around my...
That's a good point. Have some more campfires to get the smoke to clear some bugs.
So a combination. Candle, fire, spraying some bug spray around your mat, on the edges, in the grass, around your camper, around your doors. Try and keep the bugs out, Whatever you can do, it's going to make it more awesome, more amazing.
Another thing to keep in mind, being on the lakefront, you would be surprised how much windier it is.
Yeah.
Even a small lake, it's just windier, and it's coming right up on you. So, you might need jackets when you otherwise wouldn't. You need to secure your stuff. If you're using the awning, its sucker better be tethered down. Your garbage, oh man.
Stake it down, put some weights on it, double reinforce, or pack it up and put it to bed at night. Drop it in the morning or at night before you go to bed and set it back up. Otherwise, when that gust of wind comes off the lake, whoosh, or just gust of wind comes because there's a storm coming through, it'll flip it, it'll rip it, it'll tear it, it'll bend your poles. It'll be a disaster. We've had it happen to us once before. It was salvageable.
Yes.
But it was almost a disaster. We almost lost our pole.
Yeah.
It would have been a disaster, in my opinion.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
So, keep in mind the wind. And that's everything from garbage, not just the awning, but when you're eating and if you're using a paper plate and it's trying to blow away, like maybe you need to put a can of pop on the plate or whatever, but keep it in mind.
Bring your garbage in. Yep.
Bring your garbage in at night or put it up, because, unfortunately, Rend Lake, I woke up at 2 a.m. and I thought,
Coons?
I didn't put the trash up. And sure enough, I stumbled out there, got my glasses on. The trash was everywhere. And I didn't go wake anybody up. I just picked it up. But it was like strewn across the place. And I thought, if I leave this, it's going to be in the lake in a few hours. So that especially I don't want to happen. Anyhow, all that to say, keep stuff put up. It will be windy and you might be losing some stuff.
Great tip. Also, being on a waterfront property, you're going to want to have extra bathing suits, extra changes of clothes, extra towels.
Yes, especially if you have kids.
Yep.
Because you might be cooking dinner. They might be staring at the lake thinking it's time for another swim in your clothes. Who knows?
Yeah, you never know.
Oh, by the way, water shoes. Those are great. If you've got like a rocky lakefront, Crocs, water shoes to help your feet not be, depending on how the rocks are, you know.
Icky,
or if it's muddy,
yeah.
Get some water shoes of some type.
Might lose them in the mud, but be careful.
Thank you for watching our quick tips about lakefront spots. They are our favorite. It is awesome to just be able to watch the... I feel like I don't even have to go do anything. I'm just enjoying staring at the lake and the sunrise and the sunset and feeling the breeze and being immersed in nature. Yep. Even from inside the camper, having those views is amazing.
Psalm 19, the heavens declare the glory of God and the firmament his handiwork. You know about the firmament? If you know about the firmament, drop that in the comments.
All right. Hey, let us know about your favorite lakefront spots. We're in the Midwest. We like Rend Lake was good. We've been to a few. Beaver Dam that wasn't lakefront, but they had a lake.
Yeah.
Anyhow, we had a great time just recently. If you've seen our Gulf State Park, very pricey, but it was gorgeous. We were right on the lake, a mile from the Gulf of America. So let us know your guys' recommendations. Let us know where you've been that was just amazing. Thank you for watching. Happy camping.
Happy camping.